Hello guys, welcome to another Minecraft video. Now I'm gonna be showing you how to cook a chicken without a furnace. So you will need a nether rack and like only two base, only two base on that. Only two like that, and you will need painting skill and kind of animals that cook. I want a chicken, and you will need seed. You will need another extra core. That if you don't want to die, don't be scared of being fired. So like that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. That two more like that, and one more, cause no, two more, cause oh, it rained again. It's actually like that. You also need a trap door. I also need a trap door to make. You could use the trap door too when you have another rapper. So find that. It's like a cooking base like that, and put the spawn with chicken. Why is it not work? Even to work? Oh, sorry, Mr. Chicken. Sorry. Of course, I'm so sorry. Of course, I'm so sorry for what I do for Mr. Chicken. Why don't you follow me? Why is Mrs. Chicken not following me? Follow me. Like that, and you look out the cooked chicken like that. Pretty good, huh? Awesome. So that's it, guys. You need it. If you don't need it, and look at that, get two more. If you need that, and just like have a whole factory of that, and they kind of look like this, and they can have trapdoor. You also need it like a chimney, like that. And so, okay, bye. Good guys, good night, guys, and also goodbye. See ya for my next adventure video.